Howdy, howdy, Yr7. I've got my helpers here helping me out today. We're going to be looking at the experiment, magnets, magnets, and more magnets. Now, you've got that handout sheet. Okay. So what you need to do is come up with an aim and hypothesis before I actually conduct the experiment. So you actually need to know what's going on. So you'll need to read through the method to be able to come up with an aim and a hypothesis. So you're going to use a bar, magnet, some paper clips, and we need a stopwatch. Using the magnet, it says pick up one paper clip. Use the attracted paper clip to pick up the second paper clip, and continue adding paper clips. Now gently separate the second paper clip from the first. And what you have to do in your results, it says how many attracted. So maybe that's something that you can hypothesize. And the other part that you have to write down an observation for is what happened in actual number 5. So what happened when we took those paper clips away from the magnet? Now those paper clips, when they're attached to the magnet, are called temporary magnets. And you've already looked at notes on temporary and permanent magnets. Maybe read back through those before you create your aim. What do you think we're investigating? What do you think we're going to try and observe? Are those paper clips permanent magnets or temporary magnets? Are they going to stay attracted, or once we take them away from the bar magnet, are they going to lose their magnetism? Okay. Remember, with your aims, to observe or to investigate or to compare your hypotheses, you could probably write down in that how many paper clips you think are going to be attracted, and maybe even how long those paper clips are going to hold their magnetism. And that's two things that you could hypothesize about. How many and how long will they keep their magnetism? Alrighties, let's get started. So I've got my magnet here and I'm going to try and attach some paper clips. Weird doing it. Okay, now I'm not going to cheat. Lots of students like to try and cheat. I'm going to put it right on the end there. Alright. Other students, what they do is they swipe the paper clip along the bar magnet to try and give it some magnetic energy so that it would be stronger. So paper clip, it must contain iron, cobalt or nickel. Okay, I've got 2 there. Three. Don't think I'm going to get that 4th, guys. I'll try and collect it off the... 1, 2, 3. I've got 4. And how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I couldn't get that 5th one. Okay, this is where I really actually need an assistant with hands. We need to time this next step. So step 5 said now gently separate the second paper clip from the first. So there's the first. I've got to separate the second one and the rest of the chain. I want to see how long it sticks together. So what I might do, it's only going to be a couple of seconds. You ready? Set. Oh, there's one already. So I would have said that was probably a second that 3rd one fell off. Well, that took a long time. Usually they just hold on for like 2 minutes. Thank you to my amazing helpers there, and I even had the help of a retort stand to hold that paper clip. So that was a really long time. You've got a couple of questions on your prac sheet that you'll need to answer. So why do you think each of the paper clips is attracted to the next one? Write down your thoughts. What happens to the other paper clips when the second paper clip is separated from the first? So when I separated them, what eventually happened, and why do you think they fell off? And then you've got a conclusion. So remember, before you write your conclusion, reread your aim, read your hypotheses. You need to refer to your aim and your hypotheses in your conclusion. And I wrote on nearly everybody's conclusion last week. You need to include some examples from your results. Remember, don't personalise, don't use I, we or us. Well, you probably won't, but you can't use Miss O'Brien either and her assistants. So, write it generally. It was found or it was observed. Right, thanks, guys. Big thank you to my buddies here. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you, guys. All right, bye.